Hello, welcome back to CAPSTONE 2025, the top 10 winning tips for round 2. This video gives the details guide and tip to win round 2 with the top result I show you now. So it just complete round 1 with top result. Here you see top sales and top profit, and now we are going to set decision for round 2. So for round 2 now, we just update the product. You can check the video of round 1 to see the industry condition report, to see the Excel file, and now we update for round 2, right? You see, you need to go back to watch round 1 to see the details, right? So now we just continue with round 2 to continue our strategy, right? We update the traditional. We don't update the low end. I say again, low end we update in round 3 and round 7 because low end requires 7 years to sell best, and now we update the high end, right? High tech product, high end product, and 11.4 for performance, right? 14.6, and now we update for the 5.5, 8.8, right? 5.5, 8.8, right? Now we check the revision date. We now see that, and now we are going to apply the strategy, right? Able to we update that with 7.8 and 12.2. Remember, do not just copy the number of the product because number may change anytime by your professor or by the designer of the game, right? So I show you the strategy. We develop new product in round 1, we develop new product in round 2, we update on the product here, and then we can win, right? Can win. That's very important, R&D, right? And so now we check the we are going to set decision for the marketing. My advice, you need to go back and see the video of round 1 if you haven't watched that, right? Or if you watch the video of round 1, just continue, right? So now we are going to set for round 2, just continue, right? We reduce the price by 50 cents each round to maintain the competitiveness, right? And reduce 50 cents, and this new product we started to sell for half year. 2000 is the most optimal, so we just increase the other 3 products. 2000 for the first 2 products important. Again, if you don't understand why we do that, go back and watch the video of round 1, right? I don't have to say that again and again, right? And now we set the price, we set the promotion, and now we do the most important thing is calculate the sales forecast, right? So we check the report here. Sales forecast of round 2, right? Sales forecast of round 2, right? We check the production part. We see unit we sold here and inventories here. We use this number to calculate the sales forecast, right? We have team A, so we copy this. Again, if you want to understand why, you go back to check the video of round 1. I explain very detailed. So round 2, I don't explain again. I just show you how to do it in round 2, right? It's easy, right? It's the same way. So we have the unit we sold here, inventory is here. We use this to calculate the sales forecast for the current row, right? We can increase at 30% of the calculation to make sure that we have some inventory or can avoid being out of stock because our products going to sell very well. So now we put the number into 302, right? Remember to put in correctly and slowly to make sure that you put in the right number, right? 860 for the high end, for the performance 874, and for the size 749, and the new low end, right? Okay, so we just input the sales forecast. You can double check one time more to make sure you are the boss, right? You need to make check everything is right. And now we check the production. We check the production here, right? So we have the sales forecast here, we have inventory here, and then we have the production schedule, right? So you put that in, right? So that's 12303, and the second one 3258, 3258, right? And next one 797, and next one 798, and next one 8684, 684, right? So for the new product, right? So we double check again to make sure we put the right number, right? That's for the decision, and now we are going to set some more decision, right? For the automation, we increase to 6 to 8, and this with 8 and 6 we buy the new capacity for the traditional, and we check the total budget if we have enough here, right? We have 40 million, 141 million now. It's just U27. We need more for this one, right? So you see we buy 100 more, and this one we buy 200 more. Check again to make sure we have enough budget, right? Okay, so nearly enough. So okay, that's enough. 3200, the max we can produce this round. So that's all decision for the production, right? And now we set decision for 8 HR, we still do not have that. When we have that, I will show you recruit, spend, and training, right, from round 3. And for the finance, again, we are in the investing round, right? So we issue the stock, right? We pay some very small dividend, right? We borrow the short term, we borrow the long term, right? We maintain the 45 days, delay the payment for the customer, and we keep this. This is a safe amount. Last round we have this safe amount of cash to avoid emergency loss. And now we check the performer income. You see that we had very high sales, much higher than compared than last round, and 30% of contribution margin. We still use very strong promotion and sales, and now we have better profit. We have profit for all the product here, and new product will get profit from next round. So let's review all the decisions we have made for the round 2, right? We have industry condition report. You check video round 1 to see. You can download the Excel file here to calculate R&D and update R&D of round 2, add new product in round 2, new product in round 1, add more in round 3. You always win. And set the prices, calculate the sales forecast in marketing, calculate production, add new capacity for the product in the production, right? And we also increase automation. We use all the 3 sources of fund, right? And you will see the result round 2. We are going to go up like this, right? After round 1, 2, and 3, we go up very fast and lead the game with top 7 top profit. So again, you check video round 1 to see lots of important things, lots of decisions to make for each round, and then you can win and learn the lesson during the winning the game, right? And also, if you need the support, you can send the email to get the support for 8 rounds, right? Now we see the result of round 2. So you see the top result of round 2. We have nearly double sale and profit compared with the other competitors right here. Very high sales and very high profit here, right? So if you have any question, you can send the email or send the WhatsApp, or you need the support, you can send the email, right? Thank you for watching. Good luck and success. See you in the next video.